Today I am going to share with you the recipe of Mughlai Egg Curry. We will make it in a very different way and trust me, once you taste it, you will be super happy. So let's start making it. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe first. So first of all, we will prepare the green masala paste. To make it, I have taken half tablespoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, a handful of fresh coriander leaves, 3 medium spicy green chilies, 15 to 20 garlic cloves, 3 to 4 small pieces of ginger. Grind all these ingredients with a little water in a mixture grinder to make a smooth paste like this. Now I have already boiled 5 eggs here. Now we will make small cuts on the eggs just like this. Be very gentle while making the cuts because the eggs are soft after boiling and they may break with a deep cut. Once the cuts are done, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add the eggs one by one and fry them on a medium-high flame while tossing them lightly. Fry them until you see light brown spots on the eggs. Then sprinkle some red chili powder, coriander powder, and turmeric powder over the eggs. Turn off the flame and toss the eggs in the spices for few seconds. Our fried eggs are ready. Keep them aside. Now in another pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon butter. Let the butter melt nicely. Once melted, add the following whole spices. 1 small piece of cinnamon, 3 green cardamoms, 3 cloves, 5 to 7 black peppers, 1 star anise and 1 piece of mace. Fry these spices for a few seconds, then add coarsely ground onions. I have coarsely ground the onion and to ensure they fry faster without releasing too much water. Fry the onions on medium-high flame until all the water dries and they turn light golden brown. Now add 1 tablespoon desiccated coconut and a paste made from 8 to 10 cashews. Saute everything on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes so that the rawness disappears and the flavors blended well. The coconut will give the gravy a grainy texture and a unique flavor. Now add the green masala paste we prepared earlier. While making the paste, you can adjust the quantity of green chilies depending on how spicy you want it to be. Now add the following spices. 1 tablespoon chicken masala powder, half tablespoon black pepper powder, half tablespoon chaat masala powder. Mix everything nicely, then add half tablespoon turmeric powder and half cup water. Stir this masala on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes until the rawness goes away and the oil starts to separate. Once the masala is cooked, add half cup of fresh yogurt and 1/4 cup of fresh cream. Mix well and season with a salt according to the taste. Add some finely chopped fresh coriander. Let this cook on a low flame for a few seconds until the oil rises to the top. Now add water as per the consistency you want for the gravy. I have added 1 cup of water here. After this, add the fried eggs and mix them gently in the gravy. Now let the curry come to a boil. And here it's a super delicious, velvety, smooth and slightly textured Mughlai egg curry is ready to serve. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment how you liked it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.